Hi everyone. Do you know the name of this flower plant? Today I will talk about this beautiful flower plant. This flower has many names. Peacock flower, paradise flower, Barbados pride, flower fence, dwarf poinciana. This flower tree is found in America, Caribbean islands, Amazon, Bangladesh, India, and many other countries. The branches of this tree are smooth and shiny. The leaves are also very beautiful. It's the seed of this tree. This plant is easily propagated by seeds. This plant can also grow in containers. This flower plant has many medicinal properties. The flowers, leaves and seeds of this plant are used in Indian herbal medicine. The flowers are boiled in hot water and the steam rising from that water is taken through the nose to cure chronic cold, cough, asthma, and malarial fever. This beautiful flowering plant is widely planted for beautification in home gardens, parks, roadsides. So, do you want to have this beautiful flowering plant with herbal qualities in your garden?